Hey Cougars, welcome back to Cooking with Ben. Today we'll be making tacos. You'll need 1 pound of ground turkey, onions, taco seasoning, either crunchy taco shells or regular tortillas, and any toppings you want.
And adult supervision.
Place oil in the pan over medium heat. Add 1 pound of turkey meat and stir. Bake taco shells at 300 degrees. Add a half cup of onion and stir. Add and stir your seasoning with water, then add your taco meat. Pull out shells after 5 minutes. Remove turkey meat once brown. Heat your tortillas on a pan. Then serve with any of your favorite toppings or salsa.
Voila! Tacos. Ooh, my favorite. Thank you.